Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. I hope you all had a great Christmas and a good New Year. Today is Thursday, January 3rd. As per usual, this is a series that'll sort of show you behind the scenes that we do here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. And that does it for this week. Thank you all for watching. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below. I hope you all had fun watching this one. Be sure to like the video if you liked it, and hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. And we'll see you next week.